Welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. You're watching the campus television channel of Don Bosco College, Kottayam. This lecture is on the prescribed syllabus of 3rd semester MA English Literature and Language. Paper is Linguistics and Structure of English Language. In the last lecture, we studied IC analysis. Simple bracketing or tree diagram in IC analysis does not show the nature and functions of the constituents. This inadequacy has been removed by introducing the notion of labeling. This kind of labeled analysis is known as phrase structure grammar or PS grammar in short, and it forms the basic part of transformational generative grammar. Before we start with phrase structure grammar, let us see what are the symbols used for labeling the notes in a PS tree. PS, that is phrase structure. First, let's talk about noun phrase or NP. A noun can function as a subject, an object, a complement, and so on. For example, Ram is away. In this sentence, Ram is the subject. I saw Ram. In this sentence, Ram is the direct object. This is Ram. In this sentence, Ram is complement. I bought Ram a book. In this sentence, Ram is an indirect object. I went to school with Ram. In this sentence, Ram is the object of the preposition with. In all these sentences, Ram can be replaced by that silly donkey. That is, whatever function is performed by Ram grammatically is performed by this group of words. Since it is thus an equivalent to a single noun with respect to its occurrence, we group Ram and that silly donkey under the category noun phrase, that is NP. The NP may even be a clause. For example, that he is silly is true. In this sentence, that he is silly is a subject NP, subject noun phrase. Now let's see features of a noun. Every noun cannot be the subject of any sentence. For example, the coffee prayed. This sentence is nonsensical. There are restrictions on the kinds of nouns according to their features that may serve as subject or object of particular verbs. These restrictions are called selectional restrictions. A noun has the following features. First, plus animate or minus animate. Here plus indicates presence and minus indicates absence. Plus animate comprises plus human or minus human. Noun which are plus human, for example boy, combined with nouns which are minus human, example dog, form a class of plus animate nouns. That is, presence of animate indicates both presence of human and animal. So presence of human means plus human. Absence of human, that is not human, means presence of animal. Next one, plus concrete or minus concrete. That is, presence of concrete or absence of concrete noun. All plus animate and some minus animate form a class of plus concrete nouns. That means presence of all animate and absence of some animate form a class of concrete nouns. Next one, plus common or minus common. That means presence of common or absence of common noun. For example, boy, cat, dog, etc. are plus common. That means shows the presence of common noun. Next one, plus count or minus count. Example, boy, dog, etc. are plus count since they are countable, and advice, poetry, etc. minus count since they are uncountable. Next one is plus male or minus male. Example, boy, John, etc. are plus male. That means shows the presence of male. Next is plus singular or minus singular. Example, boy, girls, etc. are singular, plus singular. These are the two tree diagrams representing such features. In this lecture, we studied noun phrase and features of noun phrase. Do the given exercise and submit on time. Thank you.